Tiferet Of Gevurah. We're going to be counting the 10th day of Sefirat Omer. Tiferet Of Gevurah, we want to title it in a few words. I will say it in Hebrew and then translate it to English is Lefaer et ha'ometz. What does it mean lefaer? Lefaer means to glorify. Or another word in Hebrew for lefaer is leshabeach, is to praise. And ometz is courage, of course. By nature, as humans, we usually praise and we glorify a hero. Whether it's a hero in our generation, or whether it's a hero from a previous generation or in the past. Unfortunately, to most people, the hero is a soccer player, or an NBA player, or a boxer, or some other champion. This is not necessarily the hero that we're referring to, even we're not going to take from the honor and the respect of a great athlete or a great mathematician or scientist, because they obviously achieved something, so must be something there. So even a good athlete, you can appreciate the fact that he was very consistent for 30 years and he was able to achieve results. One way or another, however you're going to look at it, we do have the nature in us to praise and to glorify a hero. And the thing is that we need to do it on a real hero, not on some fake hero. But it's extremely important to us that we always have a hero. And I'm not talking about Superman right now. I'm talking about a great rabbi, a great scholar, a great leader in the Jewish nation, and a great leader, again, I'm not talking about a prime minister, a great leader, I'm talking about in the path of the Torah. And the reason why we want to have that is because we need a role model. I need to look at somebody in the world of the Torah and to be able to see the quality here and to learn something from that. And you need to recognize when something was done in the right gevurah, in the right strength. I mean, sometimes it takes a long time for a person to gather this strength to do something and to stand on his ground, his or hers, doesn't matter. So when it's done and when you see the beauty in the gevurah, then it has to be praised. We can't mimic the hero. I can't be a carbon copy. He did like this, I will do like this too. I have to draw inspiration. That's the idea of the hero. So, practically saying, we like taking a little exercise home. I have to recognize the hero in my life. If I don't have a hero, find yourself a hero. And again, I'm using the word hero. I will now define it more specific. An image, a person, not an image, a person, a rabbi, a scholar, a prophet, a female, a male, doesn't matter, that was extremely powerful in our history, of course in the path of Torah, that I can draw inspiration and say, I relate with that person.